Hello, everyone. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey to revisit 2024, a year packed with monumental achievements, unexpected challenges, and incredible innovations. This retrospective aims to highlight the milestones, lessons, and upcoming opportunities. So, fasten your seat belts as we delve into a year that redefined our global narrative. Here's a roadmap for today's presentation. We'll begin with monthly highlights, discuss groundbreaking innovations, examine global conflicts, and conclude with lessons and 2025 forecasts. Let's start with January. January marked a geopolitical shift with new nations joining BRICS, signaling the rise of multipolar global alliances. Sheikh Hasina's re-election reinforced leadership stability in Bangladesh. Meanwhile, Japan's moon mission underscored human ingenuity. Closer home, the inauguration of the Ayodhya Ram Mandir was a historic moment for India. Notably, AI made strides in drug discovery, offering hope in the fight against cancer. February highlighted economic and social progress, with Germany's rise and Greece's progressive policies. Young Ashwat Kaushik's chess victory showcased raw talent. However, Turkey and Syria faced immense loss due to a devastating earthquake. NATO's moves reflected growing geopolitical tensions, while innovations in green hydrogen promised cleaner energy futures. March was monumental, with LeBron James redefining sports records and France setting an example in reproductive rights. China's medical breakthrough in organ transplantation highlighted biotech possibilities. While India geared up for elections, Argentina's economic crisis reminded us of persistent financial challenges. On the tech front, South Korea's quantum internet advances brought us closer to a new communication paradigm. April witnessed democratic power in action with India's massive elections. Yuzvendra Chahal's IPL milestone and NASA's Voyager repair illustrated perseverance and innovation. France's pension reform protests showcased public determination, while the UN's biodiversity goals emphasized sustainability. May brought leadership changes and cultural triumphs like KKR's IPL victory. The rediscovery of an ancient Nile branch reconnected us to history, while ASEAN's digital focus offered a vision for future economies. India's Gaganyaan launch was a proud moment in space exploration. June saw political victories and sports achievements, including Modi's third term and India's T20 win. Space missions and regulatory strides in AI were promising, but geopolitical tensions in the South China Sea signaled challenges ahead. July balanced joy with challenges. The Olympics brought global unity, while new laws in India aimed for reform. On the global stage, WHO's COVID-19 declaration marked an end, but North Korea's nuclear talks reflected ongoing diplomatic hurdles. August highlighted political shifts, India's Olympic achievements and alarming climate trends. Wildfires and record temperature were stark reminders of our environmental responsibility. The African Union's renewable energy projects gave hopeful direction. September saw grassroots movements like Wangchuk's Padyatra and Norway's EV's success. The UK's coal phase-out set an environmental benchmark, while Japan's 6G rollout plans promised a tech-driven future amidst global tensions. October reflected innovation and loss, from Nobel Prizes to Ratan Tata's passing. Cybersecurity concerns surged globally, while the EU's Green Deal reaffirmed sustainability commitments. November combined political milestones with environmental and scientific progress. Trump's re-election, G20 discussions, and Brazil's Amazon efforts underscored diverse priorities globally. December closed 2024 with cultural milestones, fusion energy breakthroughs, and digital currency innovations. It also hinted at diplomatic progress with resumed Ukraine peace talks. Year-end conflicts highlighted the fragility of peace. While ceasefires and talks offered hope, water scarcity and refugee crises emphasized the urgency for collective action. From the Moon to Mars, 2024 redefined innovation. AI, renewable energy, and medical advancements painted a future filled with possibilities. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. We are constantly bringing you insights and stories about business, technology, and innovation that you don't want to miss. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.